Hey everyone, my name is Adi. I'm working Java full stack trainer at Veracity Software Private Limited, Pune. Today we are going to take another mock interview with Yashwant. Okay, so let's continue this mock interview. This mock interview is based on the core Java. Okay, so we'll ask some core Java questions to the Yashwant, and let's check the knowledge of Yashwant also, and you will get the benefit by seeing the answering of the Yashwant also. Okay, so first of all, Yashwant with us. Hello Yashwant, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine, and it's glad to be here, and feeling better to give the mock interview.
Okay, Yashwant. So, Yashwant, first of all, tell me as well as our audience about yourself.
Hello, myself Yashwant Sarkate. I am electronics and communication student. I have studied BE, Bachelor of Engineering from Nagpur, Government College of Nagpur, and currently, recently, I have completed one Java full stack course in Veracity. So currently, I'm working as an intern here, and today I am likely to give an interview to Adinath sir.
Okay, buddy. Thank you. I will ask some core Java questions. Okay, it's are very simple questions. Don't worry about it. Okay. See, can you tell me why multiple inheritance not supported in Java?
Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java because it causes a diamond problem.
Okay.
Whenever the class, whenever we the inherited class try to take Java methods from both the classes, it causes a diamond problem. So we are not able to use any multiple inheritance.
Okay, but we can achieve it by using interface concept.
No, sir.
No, by using interface also it's not possible.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So guys, you can comment the answer. By using interface, can we achieve the multiple inheritance? By using classes, like it's not allowed. But by using interface, can we achieve it? So your comment is very important for us. Okay. Yashwant, what is constructor?
Constructor helps us to initialize the object. Initialize an object. Whenever we want to initialize an object, we use the constructor. We can use multiple arguments inside the constructor, and we are not able to use it as final. Whenever we use it as final, then it is as constructor is a class level, then final is also used as a class level, and we are not able to inherit it.
Okay. That means we can initialize the object by using constructor, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is like final variable?
Final is a keyword. With the help of final, we are not able to inherit it or override it within the another class. With the help of the final, we can fix one value at the runtime. At the runtime. But whenever we use constant, then we can able to fix that value at a compile time.
Okay, no problem. Can you give me the real-time example of abstraction?
Abstraction.
First of all, tell me what is abstraction and give me the real-time example where abstraction is needed. We have used
abstraction is like whenever we
hide the data.
Whenever we hide the data, we use abstraction. The most of the complications parts we hide it, we are using the abstraction. So the abstraction is used in many parts. So complication data is like whenever we use collections, most of the part of the collection the developer do not use in the front end part, or he or she should not use or write the collection part on its own. He used the collection part from the backend side of the backend side of the code. So the abstraction used there. Another example is like the whenever we want to we don't want to
expose the data. Okay. We can achieve the abstraction by using interface and abstract class, right? So what is the difference in between, like when we can go with the interface, when we can go with the abstract class?
Okay, so interface versus abstraction. Inside abstraction, we can it is declared with the help of the abstract class, and inside the interface, we can use multiple methods like default and static. After the Java 9,
Right.
after Java 9, static and constructor are used in the abstraction, while the static and are not used in the
Right.
interface.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Yashwant. Like we have a concept called exception handling, right? So why exactly? What are the advantages of the exception handling?
Okay, whenever the error occurs or the flow of the execution disturbs,
Okay.
then we use exception.
Okay.
So inside the exception, it is it is useful to terminate the abnormal flow of the execution. So there are two type of exception. One is checked exception and one is unchecked exception. Whenever we want to check the exception at the compile time, then we use the checked exception.
Okay.
Example are like class not found exception, and the inside the unchecked exception. Unchecked exception are taken whenever we use the runtime exception.
Right.
Okay, and the example are like in null pointer exception or something.
Okay. Good. How we can create the custom exception in Java?
No, actually, and
Okay. Fine. By using throw keyword, we can like create the custom exception or user defined exception. We need to create the class, user defined class, and we need to extend with runtime exception or exception. Okay. And by using throw, we can create our own exception. Okay. No problem. And what about finally? Like when we can use finally block?
so finally is a block that we use in a exception handling. So after the try, we can use catch or either use finally, or we can use both of them.
Right.
Finally is used only one time. So finally refers that the exception is taken by the Java compiler. Okay, the exception we take, and whenever the code comes inside the try block, then finally is executed. But if we don't want to use finally, then we can use system.exist, and we don't use finally after that. There is only one case.
Okay. Like, can you tell me some advantage of collection?
Okay, the advantages of the collection are like we are able to use hash map and the other data structure. The developer do not want to get to the complications of the collections, so the collection framework is there. Developer need to best use of the collection framework by thinking of the business logic, and it helps us to faster the calculations, the business logic or more. So that's it.
Okay. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
So method overloading, we use method overloading whenever at the compile time, and method overriding at the runtime. So inside the method overloading, both the concept are of polymorphism. Inside the method overloading, we can use one constructor, one method with the same name,
Right.
and with the different signatures like parameters. We can use int, string, or both of them combined.
Right.
But with the method overriding, we can use it at the runtime. While using the overriding, we override between the classes. We need to create an object like parent and class, and whenever we create a object like parent p equal to new child, then every time we call the
Child method.
object of that instance. We don't call the reference object.
Right.
But inside the method heading, we call the reference object instance.
Okay, this is also called upcasting concept, right? Upcasting and downcasting. Okay. Fine, Yashwant, very good. I will go for the collection again. Inside collection, we have ArrayList and LinkedList, right? So, what is the difference in between them?
So, ArrayList and LinkedList are both the part of the list interface. ArrayList is used whenever we want to know that the exact value of at the index. Then we use the ArrayList.
Okay.
But inside the linked list, we use whenever we want to shift the bits or adding or deletion. Then we use the linked list. Inside the array list, whenever we want to delete or add one value of the one value, so we need to shift every bit of the array list, which take more time. So we use linked list for that.
Okay. How we can iterate the array list or linked list? What are the ways to iterate it?
Ways to iterate it. So for loop. For loop is the one. Okay.
For each
iterator, but
list iterator. Right. Okay. Fine. No problem. What is functional interface?
Okay, that's not actually I don't read that.
Okay. It's a part of advanced Java.
It's a part of stream. Currently, I'm learning that.
Okay, Java features
and implementation. So business logic. Currently, I'm working on that.
Okay. Hey, no worry. Java functional interface is the interface which contain only one abstract method. It can have number of static default, but only one abstract method. It is a part of Java 8 version. Okay, fine. Okay, some of the core Java questions I will ask and then we'll stop. Can you tell me what is the default value of Boolean value? Boolean data type value.
Boolean data type value is always false. Default value.
Okay. And what is the default value of class? If I create the class reference, so what will be the default value of?
No, I don't have any.
It's also null.
It's null.
Okay, it's null. For interface. For interface, what is the default value?
It should be null.
It also null. Okay, it is also null. Okay, fine, no problem. Can you tell me any final class in Java which is predefined? Any final class? Any one class name?
Final class which is predefined.
Predefined final.
No, actually I don't.
Okay. String class is a final. String class is a final. We cannot change. It's immutable class, right?
It's immutable. So
string is a final class. Okay, then all the wrapper classes are also finals. Okay, no problem. So tell me why string is immutable.
String is immutable because it is stored inside the heap, and the reference point whenever we create one.
It stored the inside heap or something else.
String full.
SCP.
Right. Okay. So whenever we created a new string, but there is the value of the string is inside the string pool. Then it refers to that string. So it helps us to memory optimization. So the string is immutable.
Right. Okay. No problem. Okay. And we are creating the object, and that time we are using new keywords. Can you tell me what is the use of that new keyword? Exactly internally, what new keyword is doing?
Whenever we create a new keyword, the object for an object, then the value of an object is stored inside the heap memory.
Okay.
So heap memory helps us to store that data for a longer period of time. Or it helps us for dynamically storage, but in static we use for shorter memory, and static data is saved inside the stack memory.
Okay. And how many ways to create the object in Java?
Okay, new words is the one thing. Okay, I use on that.
Okay, guys, can you comment like what are the different ways to create the object? Okay, Yashwant. Last two questions I want to ask you. Like, what is the difference between this and super keyword?
This and super keyword. Okay, both are used inside the constructor.
Okay.
This keyword refer to the class, and super keyword refer to the predefined parent class.
Okay.
Parent class.
Parent class.
The super keyword refer to the constructor and the methods of the parent class, while the this keyword refer to the
Current
class itself.
We can use it only in constructor or anywhere.
No, we can use it inside the constructor.
Only constructor.
Super is used inside the first line of the constructor.
Okay. And this
we can use it anywhere inside the constructor.
Okay, but if I want to use this keyword in method, can I use?
I think
So we can also use.
We can use.
See, if you use this call, okay, this and bracket, this is called this call.
This call.
We need to use it inside only constructor. But this keyword we can use anywhere, but we cannot use in the static. Okay. Inside the instance methods to constructor we can use it. But this call we can use in the constructor only. Super call same, and super keyword we can use anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yes, but we cannot use in the static context.
Okay.
Okay, and what is the use of static keyword?
Static keyword. Static keyword helps with the JVM to tell that you should this is an entry point first of all. Okay. And we can use static with the help of the main method. Those JVMs will call. Whenever we use static instances or static blocks, static keyword is used. Whenever we want to the JVM compiles that everything inside the main method, then static instances are taken by the memory primarily. Then static methods are taken.
Right.
Then instances are created. Instances variables are taken, and after that instances methods are taken.
Right.
Okay. So that one flow helps us to inside the static.
We can create static variable as well, right? What is the use of that?
Static variables. Actually, whenever we inside the memory, whenever we create inside the memory, so static are
loaded. Yes, that's I got. But when to go for static variable? When to go for instance variable?
Okay, whenever the static is used for the main class. So whenever the common topics or common things are there, then we have store inside the static.
Right. For all object, if you have any common variable, you can go with static, and if the value is changing for every object, you can go with the instance. Okay. Fine, Yashwant. All topics I have covered in the core Java, and you have sufficient knowledge. Okay. So guys, if you want to also looking to give the mock interview, or if you are looking for the IT courses, full stack Java, then Spring Boot, microservices, internship, all things like provided by Veracity, you can just visit here.